Up to now, the ball is working. It is moving to different areas of the screen depending on where I click. However, the goalie is not moving. So I need to add some new code to the goalie to make it to move to different areas of the screen when I shoot a ball. To do this, I'm shifting to the goalie sprite and I'm adding a new block which will be activated whenever the goalie hears the shoot ball broadcast. So when I receive the shoot ball, the goalie needs to go to different areas of the screen. So I'll go to motion, I'll go to add the block glide, and glide expects an X and a Y component. Now, at this point, what is quite useful is the randomization block. The randomization block is like throwing a dice and picking the number which is on top of the dice. The difference is that here I can choose the numbers on the dice. It's not just 1 to 6, but the numbers that I want. So what I'll do is the following. Let me start with the y-axis. I'll move the sprite to the lowest area of my screen and I'll check the y-axis. It's -129. So I'll put that as the first starting point of my randomization. Now I'll move the sprite towards the topmost point. I'll check the y-coordinates and I'll put that as my ending part. So it's 131. I can choose to do the same for the x-coordinates. The problem is that if I do it too random, there's a chance that the monster will just go to different areas every time. So the human will be just scoring more points. I will cheat a bit, and for the x I will use the same x for the ball. In this way, when the user clicks, the x is always guessed by the monster. It is only the y which will be randomized. This will give more chance to the monster to actually hit the ball. Now if you remember, we had used a variable called shootex to store the x coordinates, so I'm just moving that on my x coordinates. As we did with the ball, we'll just wait. We'll just wait for half a second and then go back to the original location, which was somewhere here. So I'll just move the monster in the middle of the screen, check the coordinates. So I'll go to motion, go to, and I'm done. So basically this new piece of code will be activated when I shoot the ball. It will glide the monster to a random position in the y-axis, but the same position as the ball as the x-axis. Wait for half a second and then go back to the center of the screen. Let's try it out. So I'm shooting somewhere here. Okay, as you see, the monster went to the location where I shot the ball, but he went to a different y location because it was randomized. So let me shoot it again. Okay, and it seems to be working. There you go. In this case, the monster would have hit the ball.